One of my favourite meals to cook on a campsite is a feast for friends because we're often camping with other family groups. Feeding a crowd though can be expensive, so I tend to stick to a vegetarian based meal. So I'm going to cook a big bean salad and sweet potato rostis with some ginger in it. So full of flavour, full of colour and very easy on your pocket. I'm going to prepare a little bit of the salad, which is to char grill sweet corn. I've had that on the barbecue for about 25 minutes and I'd first rubbed it in some oil and some sea salt and just keep on turning it so that you've got that lovely caramelised corn, and it's going to give the salad a really lovely smoky flavour. So I'm going to take those off now and wait for them to cool. So to feed about 8 people, I've had 3 sweet potatoes. Just keep the skins on, wash them first, and then just grate them. So I've grated the potato and I've got half a red onion. I'm going to leave the other half for the salad that I've diced, add a little bit of fresh chilli, and now pop this in just to soften the potato. Right, so that's softened, about 5 minutes. Put it all back in the bowl. So into that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of ground coriander. The secret ingredient is 4 tablespoons of gram flour. Now I'm just going to let that cool and get on with making the salad. You want 2 tins of black beans and a tin of kidney beans. Drain them and rinse them. Beans are brilliant to make salads with. I'm going to add the other half of the red onion that I used in the rostis and also the other half of the chilli. So to add a bit of colour and some extra flavour to that bean salad, I'm now going to use my corn. So make a bit of a mess. Add that into your salad. I'm going to take lime juice and into that red wine vinegar, a couple of tablespoons of oil and then some paprika for extra smokiness. Whisk up your oil and your lime and your vinegar. And again, give it all a lovely mix through. I think to add colour to that, I'm going to add a few tomatoes. A bit of feta really finishes this off. So I'm just going to put that to one side, let all the flavours kind of meld together. And I'm going to get my hands really messy. The potato mixture and ginger mixture has all cooled down now. Now that gram flour should help it stay together. And then you want to put them to sizzle. You want about 3 minutes on each side. Right, those are smelling amazing now and they've browned just nicely. So I'm going to serve them with the salad. There you go, sweet potato and ginger rostis served with a Mexican style bean salad. Easy on the pocket and very pretty on the eye.